After successfully installing the hood and adjusted the gaps, I've decided to continue with intercooler installation. After initial installation, I've managed to test the engine, but the main problem is that I really don't like the fitment of this part. That's why I'm going to remove it and install it properly. Let's begin. The plan is to remove the intercooler and after that to remove the engine radiator, to drain the coolant, fit the intercooler to the radiator properly and return them back. It's cracked just here. Now I'm going to try to remove the radiator. I've just noticed that the left radiator hose is having a problem. Actually, it's a T-joint. I'll try to show it to you. This is the upper left radiator hose. There is a problem with it. You can see the crack in T-joint connection. It's sipping water from there. It's cracked just here. I'll start by removing all of the hoses and connections. There is another smaller pipe here that I have to disconnect. And extra pipe on the right. And there is a smaller pipe that I have to disconnect. Now it's time for the bigger pipe, for the bigger hose or pipe, I don't know. It's plastic, I think. Oh no, it's rubber. Maybe I have to apply some silicone lube. That worked. There is an extra connection on the bottom left corner. There is a water pump that is attached to the radiator and there is a rubber strap that is holding it. I successfully managed to release the strap and there is a clip that is holding the cable that is attached to the radiator. I'll try to release the cable. Okay, that happened pretty easy. The last thing that is holding the radiator is one pipe here on the left side to the bottom of the radiator and two screws on the lower end of the radiator. If I manage to release the bottom pipe, I believe I will be able to remove the radiator without removing all other stuff. This is the cracked hose. It's cracked here. I remove that last connection. Okay. And let's poke off the hose. Such a tiny radiator for 340 horsepower. I'll remove all of these ears, install the intercooler to the radiator, check the fitment. If it fits correctly, the ears are going to be welded again. Removed the mounting gears from Performance intercooler. These are the mounting gears from original intercooler. This is the radiator of the engine and now I'm going to align this intercooler properly and take all of this to the welder. Now everything is aligned properly. This is how the Performance intercooler should be installed and everything should fit properly. Now let's take this set to the welder. I'm going to Nightmare Motorsport, who is producing the fastest cars in Bulgaria and maybe the fastest cars in the world. I've made new mounting ears. The old ones are not suitable for welding. I hope these are going to be welded. Now we are at Nightmare Motorsport's secret location to weld the intercooler.
Така че каквито и приоритети да имам, то трябва да има някакви истински неща, които са клонни с
Now the intercooler is installed correctly. It's fitted properly. We've made a set of custom mounting ears, align them properly. Now I have to disassemble the intercooler from the engine radiator, paint, and after that install it correctly. I have to clean the weldings with a stone and after that repaint the radiator.